How often do you read books?
I read books almost every night before I go to bed.
What's your favorite type of book?
I love reading about different cultures.
What can you learn from books?
Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world, and books are also my best friends.
Where do you read books?
I read books at home, sometimes in the library.
What's the most interesting book you've ever read?
I think that would be Nepal, a book written about the country of Nepal, published in 1999.
How long does it take you to finish a book?
Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it usually takes me a week to finish a 300-page book.
Do you usually bring books with you when you travel?
Yes, I do. When I'm at the airport or bus station, I read books to kill time.
Is there any bookstore or library in your area?
Unfortunately, there are none near my house. The nearest one is 3 kilometers away.
Here are 5 multiple-choice questions based on the text you provided along with the answer key. 1. How often does the speaker read books? Every morning, B. Almost every night before bed, C. Only on weekends, D. Rarely. B. Almost every night before bed. 2. What is the speaker's favorite type of book? A. Romance novels. Books about science. C. Books about different cultures. D. Historical fiction. C. Books about different cultures. 3. Why does the speaker consider books to be valuable? A. They are good for decorating a room. B. They are expensive. C. They help the speaker sleep better. D. They broaden knowledge and serve as best friends. Answer: D. They broaden knowledge and serve as best friends. 4. How long does it usually take the speaker to finish a 300-page book? A. A few days. B. A month. C. A week. D. Answer: C. A week. 5. What does the speaker do while waiting at the airport or bus station? A. Sleeps. B. Watches movies. C. Reads books. D. Talks to strangers. Answer: C. Reads books.